Hello and welcome everyone. My name is 𝓦𝓪𝓻𝓷𝓲𝓷𝓰 and I work as a partner with Vantage Markets. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get started copy trading with Vantage Markets. Copy trading is one of the best ways to earn a passive income online. All you have to do, you just have to make sure that you know what you're doing. And that's what I'm going to also show you guys in this video is for the people out there who wanted to participate in the financial market but don't have time to do the trading themselves or simply just don't want to do the trading. Because with copy trading, all you have to do is you just need to open a copy trading account, put some money into it, and then copy master traders, and they're going to do the trading on your behalf. And so that's why it's no longer required to study on how to become a profitable trader. And I know for sure that you already know how the copy trading works, and you're just really here because you need a specific tutorial that will walk you through the process of how to get started with Vantage copy trading. So let's just dive right into it. All right. So the very first thing that you need to do is you need to download the Vantage Markets copy trading app. I have the link in the video description. Just click that and you will be routed to the download page for their official application. So this is the page where you should be routed after you click the link in the video description. And I forgot to mention that the Vantage copy trading is available through a mobile app. So you should really download the mobile application to your mobile phone, and it's available for both Android and iOS users. So if you're watching this video on a desktop or a computer, then I would suggest that you switch to your mobile phone so that you can easily install the mobile application of Vantage Copy Trading through that link in the video description below. I have already installed the Vantage Copy Trading app on my mobile phone right here. I'm using an iOS iPhone 14. It's just a self-explanatory process. You just have to install it to your device, and for you to be able to install their official app, just click the link in the video description. So if you're going to open the app for the very first time, this is how should your screen looks like. You will be routed to either sign up or log in if you already have an account. If you didn't have an account with the Vantage yet, you can also just go through the self-explanatory process of signing up an account. After you sign up, you also need to verify your account by submitting an ID or proof of address. And since I already have an existing account for this tutorial, so I'm just going to go ahead and log into that account. After you have successfully created or logged into your account, this is how the dashboard should looks like. And as you see here at the top, this is where you can set up or start your copy trading account. Just tap this small button right here, start copy. And you will be routed to their terms and conditions, and you can read this if you want, or you can just scroll down to the bottom part and agree the terms and conditions and submit. And as you see here in my screen, it says that I have to wait 1 business day for me to be able to continue and set up my copy trading account. So we're just going to wait for that email, and for the meantime, you can just surf around inside the app. Alright, so within just a few hours, Vantage approves my account application, and this is how the main dashboard looks like, or the user interface inside the app. And it says here that I need to deposit $200 for me to be able to start copying master traders. But since this account is just created for this tutorial, so I will not be able to show you guys the process on how to make a deposit. But don't worry, the deposit process is very simple and straightforward. You just have to tap in this deposit icon right here, and you will be routed to this page where you need to select your preferred payment method. And it depends on which country you're from. There should be multiple local payment methods available for you to select from. So you just have to tap in this more icon right here, and you will see a lot of payment options. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you guys a tour, the functions and the things that you need to do inside the Vantage copy trading app. So as you see here on this first tab right here, this is where you'll see the tradable assets that you can trade with Vantage. And the second tab is orders. This is where you'll see your orders, both manual trading and from your master traders that you copy from the copy trading. It's actually very simple and self-explanatory navigations, especially if you already have a background of trading foreign currencies. And on the discover tab in the middle right here, this is where you will see the master traders that you can copy. So as you see here, these are the master traders that you can copy, and you can also use this filter right here to search for your preferred master traders that you're going to copy. As you see here, the first filter is high win rate. So these are the master traders with the highest win rate, and it's just a self-explanatory. You just have to read more details about it, the bottom part. And this part right here, this is where I would suggest you guys to select master traders, the low risk and stable return. And of course, you can also check the performance of that particular master trader before you decide to copy them. You can even click this heart right here if you want to add them on your favorites tab so that you can easily check them out again. Let's just say I'm going to check this number 1 master trader right here, and as you see here, this particular master trader has a total of 21 copiers, and he have a total return of from year to end of 508.30%. And the risk bond is just 1%. So if you were the type of person with a low risk appetite, then this one right here, that might be a good candidate for you to copy. And one of the best practices that you should do as a copier to minimize the risk is you should copy at least 3 master traders. Like, you don't want to invest all your money into just one master traders, because copy trading is still trading, so there's still risk involved in doing it. So that's how you minimize the risk and become profitable. So like, if you can copy 5 master traders, then that would be better compared to just having 3 master traders. That's how you minimize the risk and become a profitable copier and earn passive income. And by the way, if you also wanted to do, manual trading, like you place the order yourself, you can also do that here inside the Vantage app. This is an all-in-one app, and you can do that here in the second button right here, orders, and you have to select manual trading and then new order. And on this first option right here, this is where you need to select your currency pairs or the asset that you'd like to trade. Just say, I'm going to select this AUD and NCD, and this is where you can also set your take profit and stop loss. And Vantage also have promos from time to time, and you can check that out here on this tab right here, promo, and this is where you'll see all the current promos that they have at that particular moment. I guess that should be it, and let me know in the comment section below if you still have questions or whatever you wanted to say. Thank you guys for watching this video, and have a nice day. Good luck.